Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to our channel where we break down complex trading strategies into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the world of Forex trading and discussing a powerful pattern that can help you make $10 daily, the head and shoulders pattern. First things first, what is the head and shoulders pattern? Imagine looking at a chart and spotting three peaks. The left shoulder, a higher peak known as the head, and the right shoulder. This pattern signals a potential trend reversal from bullish to bearish or vice versa. Understanding and recognizing this pattern can be a game changer for your daily trading. Now, let's break down how you can use the head and shoulders pattern to make $10 daily. Start by identifying the pattern on your trading chart. Look for the distinctive shape with its left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Once spotted, set entry and exit points. For example, if the pattern is indicating a bullish reversal, consider entering a long position at the breakout point above the right shoulder. Conversely, for a bearish reversal, enter a short position below the breakout point. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading, so make sure to set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Aim for a risk-reward ratio that makes sense for your trading strategy, like risking $1 to make $2. This way, even if you're wrong on some trades, the profitable ones can cover your losses and leave you with a net gain. It's essential to stay informed about market conditions and news that may impact currency movements. Economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank decisions can all influence the Forex market. Keep an eye on these factors to make informed decisions based on the head and shoulders pattern. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Before risking real money, use a demo account to hone your skills and build confidence in identifying the head and shoulders pattern. Track your trades, analyze your successes and failures, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, mastering the head and shoulders pattern in Forex trading can be a reliable way to make $10 daily. By understanding the pattern, setting clear entry and exit points, managing risks, staying informed, and practicing diligently, you can enhance your trading skills and increase your chances of success. Happy trading, and may the pips be ever in your favor.